Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Edifier GM6 earbuds with your Android smartphone. Okay, so the first I can recommend you to power on Bluetooth on your phone and then just enable with this switcher. After that, open the case with your Edifier earbuds. Just remember to charge them. Right here at the back you can find the micro USB port, so we have to use it to charge them at least to the 40 or 50%. Next, just open them, and when you make it, this LED lights will blink. When you take them out of the case, they will also start blinking. They blink for a few times, and right now we can refresh the list of available devices, but also we can power off and power on Bluetooth back. As you can see, one of them is blinking on the blue and the red. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So right now when you choose them from the list, we will be successfully connected. Now just wait a little bit, be patient, and as you can see, there it is. Right now we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. That's how we can connect the Edifier GM6 with your Android phone. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.